When it comes to protecting your vehicle, you should never have to compromise. Introducing the Blackvue DR900X Plus series dash cams. With a new and improved 4K ultra-high resolution front camera, you'll capture the most critical details day and night. Blackvue's seamless pairing means that it's easier than ever before to connect to your dash cam without ever having to leave the Blackvue app. We understand that you are not always going to be with your vehicle. The DR900X Plus series makes it easy to stay connected by using the optional LTE connectivity module or by simply connecting to a mobile hotspot. Now you'll enjoy the benefits of the Blackvue Cloud, such as remote live view or impact notifications. And with built-in voltage monitoring, you can hardwire your Blackvue without having to worry about draining your vehicle's battery. The DR900X Plus series also features Blackvue's new mobile hotspot function, letting you turn your LTE-connected dash cam into a wireless hotspot to connect up to 5 devices while on the go. Blackvue DR900X Plus series, the ultimate 4K cloud dash cam. Find yours at blackvue.com.
Whether you use your car for your daily commute or as your main source of income, road safety is essential. With more distractions inside the car and more vehicles on the road every year, you need a truthful record of accidents to avoid irresponsible drivers and unnecessary hassles at the courthouse. At Rexing, we believe in protecting drivers and ensuring accountability on the road. This is the Rexing V2, your roadside witness. V2 is a high-powered premium dash cam. With its distinct dual-channel design, you can capture detailed recordings of the road ahead and behind the wheel. Advanced image sensors with wide dynamic range allow the cameras to perform optimally, adapting to any light condition. Control how you record with single-channel 4K Ultra HD recording or dual-channel simultaneous 1080p Full HD recording. Each V2 lens possesses a 170-degree ultra-wide field of view, covering a far-reaching angle to give you a comprehensive picture inside and outside the vehicle. The sleek, discreet design allows the V2 to be mounted anywhere on the windshield, giving taxi, Uber, Lyft, and other occupational drivers a professional appearance while keeping them secure. Intuitive loop recording overwrites your unlocked oldest files, allowing you to continuously record without interruptions. The cutting-edge G sensor automatically detects collisions, auto-locking the current video on impact to ensure the most important footage is protected. And the ready-to-use built-in Wi-Fi makes viewing, saving, and sharing recordings on your smartphone or tablet easier than ever. Engineered for quality, designed for reliability. The Rexing V2 Dash Cam. Capture everything.